It's 3 in the morning. You're jolted awake by a strange sound. Click-clack, click-clack, it's coming from upstairs, but you live alone. That chilling sound might just be the Geta Clogs of a yurei, a Japanese ghost, wandering your home. Yurei are souls trapped between our world and the next, often due to a sudden or violent death. They're usually depicted as pale figures in white kimonos, with long, black hair covering their faces. But beware, not all yurei are just passing through. Some become en route powerful, vengeful spirits driven by a burning desire for retribution. Their grudge is so strong it can cause disasters, curses, and immense suffering for those who wronged them. So next time you hear that unmistakable click-clack in the dead of night, you have to wonder, is it just the house settling, or has someone come back for revenge? Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more strange tales.